Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying simple but crucial items. Sign into YouTube and confirm you're on the right channel. Then clear the browser cache and cookies so stale files aren't causing layout errors. Once done, open an incognito window or a different browser to see if the navigation bar returns. This separates account issues from local problems. Make sure to temporarily disable extensions because many ad blockers or UI mods inject CSS that breaks the bar, so isolate before changing settings. Now dig into the page. Open Developer Tools and inspect the navigation element to find hidden CSS, z-index conflicts, or display none declarations. Look at the console for JavaScript errors that prevent rendering. If an extension or custom style sheet is injecting conflicting rules, disable or remove them, or add a user CSS override to restore layout. Also update your browser, and if the bar glitches in certain sizes, test responsive view and toggle hardware acceleration. These steps fix rendering anomaly. Finish by clearing site-specific storage and resetting site permissions to eliminate corrupt local data. This often restores the nav bar. If problems persist, create a new browser profile or reinstall the browser. Export bookmarks and passwords first to avoid data loss. Once you restore layout, sign back in and confirm settings. If it still fails, test YouTube on another device or mobile app to determine whether the issue is account-wide or device-specific. This single troubleshooting tip saves time and pinpoints the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.